AI is no longer just a future skill. It's already changing how companies build products, automate work, analyze data, create content, and make decisions. From generative AI and machine learning to intelligent automation and AI agents, every industry now needs people who understand how to use AI in real business scenario. So, if you're serious about building a career in AI, here are few professional AI programs that can help you move from basic concepts to hands-on, job-ready skills. First, there is Professional Certificate Program in Generative AI, Machine Learning, and Intelligent Automation offered by IHFC TIH of IIT Delhi. This program is designed for professionals who want to build AI-powered solutions and understand intelligent automation. It covers Python, applied data science, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, advanced Gen AI, MLOps, NLP, computer vision, reinforcement learning, and agentic AI. You are also going to get hands-on exposure through industry projects like AI-powered HR assistance, sales forecasting, customer order analysis, and autonomous driving and recommendation systems. Next, there is Microsoft AI Engineer Program. This is a beginner-friendly program for learners who want to understand the full AI stack for programming basics and Python to machine learning, deep learning, NLP, generative AI, and Azure AI fundamentals, and also AI Agent and Microsoft Copilot Studios, and many more. It also prepares learners for the Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals, which is AI 900 exam, and it includes the real-world projects such as loan default prediction, customer order analysis, HR assistance, text-to-design platform, sales forecasting, and AI-powered applications. Then there is Professional Certificate Course in Generative AI and Machine Learning offered by ICT Academy, IIT Kanpur, which is in collaboration with Simplilearn. This program focuses on machine learning, deep learning, NLP, generative AI, prompt engineering, LLMs, computer vision, and reinforcement learning. Learners get live online classes, master classes by IIT Kanpur faculty. With this program, you are going to get Microsoft Learning badges, hands-on projects like employee attrition prediction, song classification, AI storytelling, HR assistant, loan default prediction, facial recognition, and many more, using CNNs and TensorFlow. These programs are useful for learners who want structured training, live classes, industry project, mentorship, and professional certificates from recognized institutions and partners. And along with these professional programs, Simplilearn's YouTube channel has also full-length AI videos that can actually help you in learning. You can start with the AI and Machine Learning Full Course 2026, where you will learn about artificial intelligence, machine learning from beginner to advanced level. This video covers AI basics, machine learning fundamentals, Python, NumPy, and many more important concepts. Also, you are going to see real-world AI use cases in this video. After that, you can watch Machine Learning Full Course 2026. This course is going to give you a structured introduction to machine learning concepts, including how machines learn from data like supervised and unsupervised learning, key algorithms, model evaluation, working on real-world datasets, feature selection, and performance optimization. For project-based learning, there is an image classification using CNN video. This tutorial explains what image classification is and how CNNs work, and also how Python libraries like TensorFlow, NumPy, Matplotlib, and other tools are used to build an image classification project. After that, guys, you can also watch 10 AI project ideas for 2026. This will be a very helpful video for you if you want to build a strong AI portfolio. It covers project ideas like AI shopping assistants, smart health analyzers, AI productivity agents, voice-to-action system, generative AI story makers, and many more. And finally, there is Agentic AI Full Course 2026, where you can understand how modern AI systems plan tasks, make decisions, use tools, and automate workflows, and finally solve real-world problems. This is a great video if you want to learn where AI is heading next. So guys, if you want to start and grow your career in AI, then explore Simplilearn's professional AI programs and continue learning through Simplilearn's YouTube, full courses, and project videos. So guys, as we all know that AI is becoming one of the most important career skills of this decade. The earlier you start learning, the better prepared you will be for the future opportunities. So guys, let us know in the comment section below how many of you are planning to start your career in the AI domain.